Welcome back, traders. Hopefully everybody's had a great holidays over the last couple weeks and enjoyed the Christmas break. And now we're a couple weeks into January and the trading is now starting to pick back up again. A lot of you have basically, probably wondered how trading's been going for other people and, when did the volume kick in and what to expect after the holidays. We have an exciting release coming this week with ARC and one of the upcoming algos that we've been working on for some time. And I just wanted to put this video together as kind of a primer to this webinar's release, mainly because I know a lot of people think that the market conditions haven't really been that great. I know some people have reported that, they're waiting for stability, but I'm here to tell you that that's not really the case. Maybe it's been like that for one of your strategies or maybe some of the strategies you've seen, but this algo has been nothing short of insanely profitable since the beginning of the return after the holidays. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to just share with you quickly the performance since January 2nd, which is essentially the starting date of this test. And today is Martin Luther King Day, so the markets are closed. So I just wanted to show you that this algo has not had a losing day since the beginning of this year. There's some things that are different with this system than others, mainly due to the architect of how we've built it. And it really is an asset when you can leverage reversal trading and then also leverage it in the direction of trends. Now, we wanted to build this as a simple approach to prop trading. A lot of the traders that are in our community have really put in requests that, they love a lot of our algos, they love trading them, but they need to make sure that they're built for prop trading, getting funded, being able to be used for an evaluation. A lot of traders require a lot of action, meaning they need to make sure that every day there's a lot of trades. And then ultimately the risk and reward needs to be favorable for prop trading, right? You can't have too tight of targets, because if that's the case, then sometimes, a losing day can turn into a catastrophic loss. But then ultimately, you also want to make sure that you don't have too big of a targets, because then you give back your profits on a winning trade, and then the trailing drawdowns come in and kick you out, and then you blow out your evals, and it doesn't make sense. So what we're doing in this template, and we've actually got a couple templates that we've built for this algo, but the Springboard focuses on reversal trading, and we can throttle the reversals to be as restrictive or as loose as we want. We can trade the reversals in directions of trends, which is exactly what this template is doing, is we're using reversal logic, but in the direction of the prevailing trend. And it's a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. So this template is a 1-to-1. If you're somebody that likes to get in and out and scalp 1-to-1, you need a decent, you need a 50% win rate or better to be profitable. This is definitely nothing shy of incredibly profitable, but I just want to share with you what we're doing here. Okay, so you can see here that the first day, I'll just kind of come here. Let me grab a cursor so you can see this, and you're going to see the first day, this is risking $500 per trade. So depending on the size of eval you have, may or may not use this much size. Maybe you're risking $250 a trade. This is risking $500 a trade. And so you'll see here that there was 14 trades, 17 trades, 18 trades, 18 trades, 14 trades, 18 trades, 15, 20 trades, 20 trades. You don't need to take that many trades. This template is a very active template, but it just goes to show you that if you're a prop trader, you're going to get action. You're not going to be sitting on the sidelines, whether you're in a reversal, or whether the markets are trending or whether they're range bound. What you really find with this system is that it works in both conditions. That's the best part about this algo, is that it works in all market conditions. And you're going to see, risking $500 a trade, the first day was $2,000, then $1,500, then $26. This is a break-even day. You're not going to, it was $170. You probably commissions ate away on that day, but that's part of the business, right? Then $2,000, then $2,600, then $2,000, then $1,100. Then this was a mediocre day. Friday was probably going right into Martin Luther King, end of the day, end of the week, whatever the case may be. You don't need to make excuses on a big win or a small win. It's still a win. But at the end of the day, You know, this had about $16,000 in profit this year alone, trading $500 a trade. Now, even if you're only trading $250 a trade, that's still $8,000 in 2 weeks trading $250 a trade, right? So if you think about it, this had 16K in 2 weeks, right? And that's $500 a day. If you're not trading that size, maybe you're trading for a 50K combine or an eval or whoever you're getting funded with, you know, maybe you're looking at 2 weeks at $250 a trade, and you're looking at about $8,000 profit. This was $16,000 profit, right? And no excuses. Like, there's no like post-holiday syndrome, you know, the volume has to come back, you know, all these things that traders tell themselves when they're struggling. This algo is extremely successful, and all we need to do is just kind of go in here and take a look at it. Like, this was Friday's trading. Let's go back and take a look at the prior day as well on Thursday. You know, and it had a little bit of a drawdown, pulled itself way out of that drawdown, ended profitable. Let's go to the day before. You can see here, it started off, came up, pulled back down, and then really scaled up in the afternoon as the market started picking up. You know, you can see here, you know, and this is, you're going to get action on this algo. This came out the gate swinging and just straight to the moon on this day. And you're going to find activity in this system. Like, there's not going to be, you're not going to be sitting on the sidelines. And this is on the S&P and a 1-minute chart, right? So the back tests are very accurate on minute data. And you'll see here, it kind of went flat for a bit, up and down, and then it picked back up. And, you know, this is just trading the morning session, right? You're just trading the morning session into the lunchtime, right? So you can go back here. And this is every day. You know, here it kicked out, had a losing trade in the morning, right out the gates, and then boom, it kicked out. Now, you don't need to trade the whole morning with this system. And there's so many trades that you could put a filter in to just hit a certain goal every day and then take your break, right? This trade here, this algo, you know, just came out the gate swinging on this day and just to the moon, right? The reason this system's been so profitable, and you know, we were talking about this with our team, is that because it uses reversal logic, but you can use it without trends or with trends, you have the ability to trade both conditional markets. And I think that's the secret to this. The Springboard is what we call it's, you know, it's that we're catching tops and bottoms in reversal markets, or you're catching Springboard trades in a trending market, right? So I know we put out a lot of systems. That's part of our mandate with ARC. We've developed a lot of strategies and indicators and algorithms, etc. But I haven't seen an algo this profitable since we built the systems at the beginning part of last year. Like, this algo has been the most profitable system I've seen. And considering that this is, you know, the beginning part of this year, you know, we haven't had a losing day, right? There hasn't been a losing day yet this year. So, you know, if that's not exciting to you, I don't know what is, right? Losses suck and profits are great. And we're going to be releasing the launch of this this week. And then we're going to be doing an AMA. And I invite you to join me and my team for the release of the Springboard Algo. It is specifically designed for prop trading. And I can assure you that, you know, you will get a lot of action and it will definitely be worth your time. Take care, traders, and I will see you at the launch event.